Hello, my name is Kavita. I'm founder of Tots and Moms Foods. If your child has completed 8 months, congratulations. Till 6 to 8 months, you were a little careful on giving easily digestible food and allergies or the pattern of how your child eats. Now your baby is settled a bit, so you can check on other family foods. You can offer finger foods, and you can also check multi-grain products. So sprouted Sathu Maavu, millet Sathu Maavu, and multigrain banana cereal are the products available at totsandmoms.com, which are chemical free and totally organic. And other instant mixes I would recommend this time are amaranth and makhana, naturally sweetened ragi almond dates and dalia almond dates. These can be just mixed with hot water and offered on the go, even while you're traveling or in a function. And below 1 year, it is necessary to introduce even the allergens, even if there is a family history, because research says it can be definitely avoided. So dry fruits powder, nuts and seeds powder, you can start at 8 months, and even dry dates powder in smaller quantity to naturally sweeten up the food you can add. This will increase the nutritious value of any food, just a half spoon or a spoonful, and protein, healthy fat being added there. So all the best, make the right choice. Find our products at shop.totsandmoms.com. Bye-bye.